Hi everyone, Steve at OpenBOM. Let me see if I can take some of the mystery out of OpenBOM catalogs and bills of material. Let's start by creating a new catalog. Think of this as a database of your parts. In my example, I'm at a company making some air filters. I'm going to start creating a catalog of all the parts we have. OpenBOM starts with a catalog template, but there's a few other properties I'd like to keep track of in my catalog, and they are cost. And I also like to put a thumbnail image of what the parts look like. So I'm creating my catalog. I know the first thing that I'm going to have here is a cap for my filter system. It costs $5.66, and I happen to have a thumbnail, an image of it on my disk. So I'm going to go ahead and build that out. So there's a line item for a cap. I could continue to add all the other items that I have in stock and build out this catalog. Now, in the interest of time, I've already done that, and I've created a catalog of all the parts that we have at my company for building these air filters. We make two variants, an 8 and a 4-inch. So I've included all of those various parts in this catalog. This is not for a particular product. This is a list of all the parts that we have in the shop. So, okay, what can we do with that? Let's build a bill of material for the 4-inch filter. Go new BOM. This is going to be the AF100-4. And this is the air filter 4-inch. Okay. So I've got a new bill of material here. This is for a product that we're going to build, the 4-inch length. So I could key all this information in here for each one of those items, but I know that my company has a catalog with all my parts in it right here. So I assign that to this bill of material. OpenBOM tells me there's some duplicate properties. I go ahead and delete those. I want to do that in about all cases. So now I'm building the bill of material for the 4-inch BOM. Let's get started. I know that I have that there's going to be a housing cap on that. Let's add that in there. I'm going to have one of those. I'm going to add another thing. I know that I'm going to have I'm building the 4-inch, so I'm going to need the 4-inch filter for one of those. And as you can see, I can continue to build this out for all the various 4-inch pieces that are needed. And I'm just working my way through the parts, building my bill of material. And there's some parts that are duplicated, of course, and some that are not. There's a bottom cap. So that's starting to look like a 4-inch filter BOM. That's great. Okay, so I also make an 8-inch variant. So I've taken a moment to create an 8-inch BOM using the same process. So I want to hone in on cost. I've got the cost for this filter cap is currently $19.11. You can see that I've got the same cost here at $19.11 in the 4-inch BOM. So if the cost of this item was to change using Excel or other BOM tools, I'd have to find all those bills of material and change cost. We know that the catalog is a database for our parts, and it behaves like that when it's assigned to a BOM. I've got a better vendor on this now. I've got the cost down to $17.45. I'm changing that right now in my catalog, and all places within OpenBOM where that value is consumed will be updated with the new price. This could be the same for availability, lead times, what have you. So you can see now that both the 4-inch and the 8-inch bill of material price, and therefore their total cost, has been updated. So think about your catalog as the database of the parts that you have, that your company has. Create it, add all the parts regardless of what BOMs they belong in. Use it individually in individual BOMs. Here I create the 8-inch and the 4-inch by assigning that catalog to that BOM, and you'll get the benefit of all this information coming in from your catalog. I hope that was helpful. You can get more information at support@openbom.com. Thanks.